beats.
Yeah, I'm on set ready. Blessings, some blessings,
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. When I got done, I curl it, even though it's dropping, by the way. But I curled it up and spray everything. This is the finished look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, watch this whole video. And don't forget, my coupon code and my discount code is going to be in the description bar. So if you purchase this hair, make sure you use my discount code, okay? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. To all my OGs on there, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Y'all know y'all love me and I love you too. If you're new, welcome. My name is Signoya Saygbah. Saygbah. Let me make sure I pronounce it right. I'm from West Africa, Liberia. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. So on today's video, we're doing a wig installment, and this company is called True Glory Hair. This is the packaging it comes in. Yep, that's it. And when it came in here, the hair was in this little net, and also it comes with this little instruction menu for the hair. So basically it tells you how to take care of your hair, how to treat it, and all the extra stuff. And the hair was virgin Brazilian straight lace frontal. It's 20 inch, and it's a 13 by 450 density. And this is the wig. This is it. Okay, I try not to over pluck it, because if you over pluck it and you keep wearing it, the frontal gonna get thinner. Then you're gonna have to get new frontal, and I'm not going through all that. And the wig come with a little adjustable elastic band, and it also come with another band, and it comes with a clips. How many clips is in here? It's one, two. It comes with 2 clips and 2 adjustable elastic band. And this is 20 inch. I air dry it. Well, not air dry. I usually let my hair air dry. I love when my hair air dry, but I didn't have time to air dry it, so I had to blow dry it because I need to do the installment. But I'm gonna show you how it goes. Look at this. Quality is nice. It's very shiny, and the hair is very silky. It feels like really silky. Nice looking, okay? So it's 20 inch, and if you want to purchase this hair, I'm gonna have a little discount code so you can go ahead and use it. Y'all know y'all always asking me about hair, so I try to make sure I go out there and find you something that you can afford, okay? We don't always have to do the extra stuff. The only thing I'll say about the hair is I usually wear my hair be like 4 bundles in the frontal, so it's not a lot of hair because it's 150 density, but we can work with this, okay? Let's get into it. Let's go. So this is it when I first put it on. Like I told you, I don't want to over pluck it, because once you over pluck that hair, that's it. And they also give me a little lashes. Look at that packaging. It's the black and gold. Y'all know I love black, so the black and gold thing stands out. And the lashes are all natural. And this lashes, this was Lennox. It was Lennox, okay? So let's get into it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it straight or on a side. So let's get into it. When applying the glue, I just use 1 layer of glue and the free spray, because I be taking the wig off the same night. Unless I'm keeping it on for like 2 days, I'll use multiple layers, but usually I just use 1. And that's what I did in this video, and blow dry it. After applying the first layer of glue, I usually just use that small tooth comb and push the lace into the glue. And as I go, whatever part that is not enough glue, I just spray it as I go and keep going, keep adding more. So for this part, I just take some of my edges out to like make baby hair. I'm not good at baby hair, so I'm not gonna lie, but I did some in this video, so let's get into it. I just take some front hair out, and I use the hot comb to just comb through it. If y'all know me, y'all know I love me some hot comb, okay? Hot comb will have your hair looking like really laid and flat, ladies. Get you a hot comb. I don't know what's up with me and this glue. For some reason, I feel like it really helps me blend my lace, okay? This glue will have your lace looking invisible, okay? So after I do that, I spray it. I use the elastic band and tie it tight, okay? Before I lay the baby hair. And in this part, I'm just making the part. I like making my part sharp and deep. So that's what I use. And I also use the hot comb to help mold the hair. Hot comb is the key, okay? So I make my part, deep part. Then I use the hot comb again. Everything I do, I run to the hot comb. Hot comb is my baby. Use the hot comb to style the hair off. I use the scissor to put the part in the lace, but I use the brows razor to cut the edges of the lace where the edges is. So I use the brow razor to cut that part. It helps make it easier. And after I cut it, I use the glue. I spray the glue on the edges and use the tip of the comb, the metal comb, to just push the lace back into my skin. I keep doing this. I just cut the lace off and keep spraying it and keep using the tip of the metal comb to blend the lace into my skin till I get it how I want it to look, okay? I keep doing this process over and over. It is hard for me to talk while I record this because I'm a beginner. So multitasking right now is not easy, okay? So I just record a video and I do voice over. Ladies, if you don't know how to do your own hair, start doing your own hair. Buy your wig and practice on your head, okay? You going to those hairstylists paying all that money, you can be using that money to invest in yourself. I was one of those ladies that was always paying to get my hair done, but I'd rather keep practicing on myself and eventually get it right. Like right now, I'm still practicing on myself because your best investment is yourself. You paying somebody else to do something for you is not really helping you, okay? So practice on yourself. Ladies, we are investing in ourselves and not others, okay? So we're going to keep practicing this on ourselves. Me too, I'm still practicing. It might look like I got it, but I don't have it. This is literally keep practicing. It took me a long time to get my hair done, okay? I'm practicing. So in this part right here, I use the powder that I use to contour and just pat it on the edges. Little go a long way. Don't use too much. Put that powder on it and spray it again. That's what literally the blending part comes in. Tie it while you lay your edges. And Lord, no, edges is not my calling, okay? I cannot do baby hair for nothing. Not even to save my life. But in this video, we tried, okay? We tried. So this is how I did my edges. In this, using for my edges, I used the got to be glue, mousse, and flat iron. First, I flat iron it first. It's like when you flat iron the baby hair, it make it soft. So like trying to lay it down, it just goes with it. It make it easier if you flat iron the baby hair before you lay it. It literally you will have control over it. I promise. And I'm not even the god of edges, cause Lord no, I don't know how to lay baby hair. Again, I flat iron the edges, then I cut it. Cause if I cut it before I flat iron, I'm gonna be burning myself. So I do that first, then cut it, then I lay the edges. It make it easier for me to lay it. And basically, you just keep going till you like how it's laying, okay? You just keep playing with it and keep looking at it and see what you like. That's how I do it, okay? I'm not a pro at this. This is just little things I do to keep myself going. I'm not a professional at it, so don't come here looking for perfection. Literally, this is homegirl in the basement doing her hair, okay? I keep letting the baby hair till I get it how I want it. Then after that, I start styling it. I have a whole YouTube video on how I curl my hair. But if you want me to go in depth again with another video, I can do that. But literally, curling is like curling your hair will make it look so better. You do not understand, okay? Curling your hair, it don't have to be like some fancy curling iron. You can have your little simple curling iron. Curling your hair will have your hair looking layer, full, and just ready to go. That's why you always ask me how my hair looks so good. Yes, my hair is good quality because I spend a lot of money on my hair. But at the same time, knowing how to curl your hair and like flat iron your hair and like just have it looking a certain way will have it looking so pretty. Okay, so curling is one of those things I have learned over the time. Shout out to my homegirl Sambena, she taught me. But curling your hair will have it looking nice, okay? So ladies, that's what I always do. Whenever I'm indecisive of what hairstyle to wear, I know some curls will take me a long way. So I just drop some curls in it, and I just use the wide tooth comb to comb it out and just layer it to frame my face. And when I'm combing my hair, I don't like combing it like straight across. I like slant it in a way where it falls into layer, okay? Combing your hair is a technique. I don't know. I just have fun doing it. And after that, I took the hairband off and see how it was looking. Whatever spot I felt like that was still visible, where you could see like the lace, I went in with the powder and just tap it on it. Don't put too much powder, okay, ladies? Just tap it on it as you go. The powder and the glue and the elastic band to blend your lace. That's all I use. And combing it like that, make it falls into layer. If you get what I'm talking about. If you know, you know, okay? It just make it fall into layer and I just play with it with my hands. It took me time to get here, guys. This wasn't no overnight work. I've been trying to do this since, I don't even know, 4 or 5 years. So it took me time to get here, even with curling. This wasn't no overnight job, okay? I'm one of those, I'm a slow learner. It takes me time to learn things. So if I can do it, and your thing, my things be looking good, y'all can do it too, okay? And for this part, I just keep combing it and playing with the hair until I get it to fall how I want it to look. So basically, this is the finished look. If you watch to the end, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you stay to the end, these videos be long, but I just be trying to cut an hour and some change video into 13 minutes so the video is not too long. So if you watch to the end, thanks for watching. If you have any recommendation of hairstyles you want me to do, let me know and I'll record it. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
I said, yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Beats.